Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to talk about the 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This particular boat is powered by Mercury 115 4-stroke command thrust engine. This boat also has port and aft seats with backrest. You've got the teak boarding step and ladder. This is a 25-gallon in-floor fuel tank now. Coming forward, your helm seat is adjustable. This particular boat does have a built-in live well. Coming forward, you have the teak boarding steps on both port and starboard. Up front, you're going to have a cooler that's removable with a seat and backrest. You're also going to have a full-length fish box and a separate anchor locker. On top of that, this is already rigged for a trolling motor. This concludes the 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.